I'm making quiche. And so we have the eggs in a bowl. And we put just a little bit of onion powder, like, you know, you just want to tap like this and make sure you actually get some in there. Tap, tap. Oh my goodness. It helps if you actually say the words tap, tap. Okay? Then we put some garlic powder in there and we tap that too. I tap about 8 times. And then we put a little pepper and I just
too
like
much tapping.
Just this method like this. It works. Then we're gonna put some of the onions, chopped onions. This is Harris Teeter brand chopped onions. If you don't know, Harris Teeter's local to North Carolina, and it's a great store. So we're just gonna put a little bit in there. We had to like mush it all together because it was like kind of stuck together. So I put my onions in there, and now I'm gonna like secure the bag once more because, you know, we want to keep the fruit nice and fresh. Oh snap! Don't do that either. You can't get it on. This is why you need it from a friend if you have trouble. Got it. Okay, I can do all things. Okay, so now we're gonna put our seasonings back in the cabinet because my mom said you want to clean as you go. So we're gonna clean as we go. Did you guys love it? I should make my own channel. Not really, but
Gotta get dressed.
I can guest appear on her page. Excuse me, I need a fork.
Shoes on.
Where's the fork?
Fork. You have a cooking show and don't know where the forks are.
This is why I don't need my own channel. Okay, so now we're gonna beat the eggs with a fork.
Do it like this, everybody. Do it like this.
Going to,
Just make sure you use a little bit.
it's all in the wrist.
all in the wrist motion.
Look at the motion of the
They
wrist.
can't see nothing.
Okay. And then you just flick the wrist right there. Be careful, carpal tunnel's real. So you just want to mix. Make sure you add a dash of love. If you do not love the people you're cooking for, don't cook for them.
She don't even like us, y'all.
It's true. It's true. I got selfish ambition in this piece. I'm hungry. Okay, Mom, what I do next?
Oh Lord, you the one with the cooking channel?
You put it in there.
Okay, look.
Did you put the cheese?
Oh no.
Get the cheese on.
I was just gonna be like,
You didn't put the cheese, Shameeka.
no, I'm lactose intolerant.
Right. All right.
And they didn't tell me until after I ate about a quarter of the quiche.
Shameeka, how you go from Ina Garden to Baguette Kitchen in that time?
I guarantee.
And they didn't tell me.
A pinch. So I'm just gonna add a pinch. Can't measure it. Just feel it. Hold on, wait. You go to your inner self and you feel it. And when you say, okay, it's good, you throw it in there. And I feel it like I need a little more, even though I'm lactose intolerant. And maybe just a little more. Boop, like that. All right. Pray over it and say thank God.
And stir, stir, stir.
And stir, stir, stir,
Then back
stir.
into the thing. Move boy.
And then you dump it in the thing.
And into the oven.
Ma, you don't need no whipping cream or something? No?
Shameeka, you eat guacamole?
Yes.
Let us bless your life.
Oh, amen. Look, and see how the Lord will bless you when you're helping others?
Just don't put that in the thing.
You can.
You can put anything in there you want. Just don't put this in there.
Okay. I'm going to eat that.
Dump it. We done. Into the thing.
And then you want to just put this because we don't want salmonella. No. It's not okay. You know what I mean?
Dump it.
You're going to keep, and then you're going to dump like this, ever so gingerly.
Oh my God.
Oh, it's beautiful.
And then into the oven.
And then into the oven. Okay? All right, you give the bowl to your friend. Okay. And then you want to make sure you get your oven mitts because it's really hot. If you're not sure what happens when things are hot and you touch it, it burns. Okay? So, Mom, where we're at? First, top or bottom? And then you want to just gracefully catch it on the sides. Well, no, you actually want to pull your rack out. It's going to help you. And then you want to put it right here, like this, in the middle, and then shove it in. And it's great. It's done. You want to close it. And that's all, folks. So, this has been a lovely segment of Cooking Quiche with Meek. And Thank you for stopping by. If you could, so hit the red subscribe button, and you can get those videos whenever I like do them, which is like once every 6 months. Okay, so goodbye.
This was an unauthorized production of Cooking Quiche with Meek.